Hello friends, welcome to your favorite channel, irvinemesa. This is your number one place to grow from being a beginner to becoming a pro web developer. So today I'm doing another basic tutorial which is on the on-demand topic of Three.js. So guys, today I'll be showing you how to add simple 3D models inside your library called Three.js. So first, the first and most thing that we need to do is to find a popular website which is easy to use to collect our 3D model. So today, my favorite place to go and download those 3D models is called sketchup.com. So this is a very awesome website which provides you with paid downloads and free downloads. So just make sure that you go there and download the. If you are going for a free model, make sure you always use the attribution inside your description or and give some credits to the creator of this content. And just a reminder, don't forget to download this image as a GLT format. Most important thing is that we're going to do is to jump inside our index.html file. This is where we are going to make some changes. So as you can see, I've got a div with a if you look into my coding, I also have got a CSS file which I with some basic styles that I have used there, and I've also got a JS folder with the main JS. That is where we are going to insert our JavaScript coding. And now you can see I've got a models folder with the images that we have downloaded from sketch5.com. So now let's get inside our index.html file. You can see that I've got this header at the top, which is just got a title of introduction to Three.js, and also you can see that I've got a main which is inside with the ID name wrapper. Then just below the closing tab of body, I've got a script. I've got a link to my JavaScript file called main.js. So this is what you can just do. So now let's get inside our main.js and see where all this work is going to do. The beautiful work will happen. First, now at the top there are three things that you need to do. So I'm going to name them. With the first one is that we are going to have to import our Three.js file, the Three.js library, using a link that I'm pasting inside, as you can see. Then secondly, we are going to have the object controls. These are the ones where we are going to alter the properties of sizing and rotating our image in several ways. Then third, lastly, we have got a GTF loader. This will just tell the browser to import our GTL file into Three.js. So now since after pasting these things, we are now going to the next important thing is going to importing our scene object. So before I jump into this, I want to explain to you how 3J works with any kind of 3D element. There are three components that you need to know about 3D and 3D. So this is the scene object, the camera object, as well as the render. So let me explain to you what happens with the scene. It's like you are adding the three. It's like it creates the space for your 3D elements. Then the camera has got different things, but it's all about sizing and view. So we have, from the camera, we've got a point of view where you can render the image and everything, just doing with sizing and moving the image as you view it. And then on Enra, this one is just specific to my project, so there's no need really to make any deep understanding about the render. It's just specific to my project. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm starting off a new GTF loader. Then I'm loading my GTF. So as you can see, with this function, I'm creating a case where you can have some callbacks for a success loading, and those as an error output if in case the image fails to load. So, but you now need to understand that we are going to have alpha to true. So this is after I'm refreshing. Otherwise, it will display the background of any GTA file that you have set in. So you can now see if you get a background of a GLT file, it will be displayed. Now after doing that, I'm going to work on the size of the render. So this one is important that we are setting the we are paying the DOM elements that we edit the DOM elements so that it maximizes to full view of our screen. Now after that one, the Z position we use it to for setting my camera settings. We also have got our ternary operator. This one is used for to change the Z position. So if you don't have it, you don't have to worry about it. Now the most important thing is that if our image is not coming out, I now need to add some lights. That's the Illuminator 3D model. So these lights, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't work. It depends on the image. So you just have to play around with the figure so that you can come out, so that your image can come out when the lights are on. Okay, when you're finished with that one, the following stage you're going to create an animate function that's going to be called every frame, because now also let's add an invert listener for resizing the user resize. Lastly, let's just call animate function, a render inside the function animate. It's now been displayed as you can see on the image, but they can't move as the three objects do. So we're going to so that I'm able to rotate, so that I'm able to have that is rotatable and zoomable. So these are the new features that I'm going to functionality that I'm going to add this functionality. So for to do that, we are going to initiate a orbit controls. We are going to initiate the screen by adding orbit controls. Now I'm going to add a code for the mouse, so that every time when I'm hovering with the mouse, the image will be interactive and it will just respond to the position of the mouse. As you can see, this is what I've done. So yes, as you can see, this is how I've completed this challenge. So if you liked my tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe and give some comments. Thank you.